What's up, everyone? So I got this solar motion detecting light, and it's from Amazon. I got like 10 of these for like 66 bucks plus tax. But you know what? They come with adhesive tape, double end adhesive tape, and you can you can use it, uh, mount it, put some screws on it. But I'm just gonna use tape just because I'm gonna put it on this. This is plastic, so I really don't want to drill on this. So I'm just gonna check this out and see how it looks with the adhesive tape. Again, it's got like few settings, and if there's sunlight, then it's not gonna turn on. But it's got like three modes, so it's detecting sun. Um, yeah, I'm just gonna place it right there on top, and hopefully it looks good. See how it looks. So here it is. I have it mounted just using um, the double end tape. So I'm going to show you where it's mounted to, so you can kind of get the picture. So again, I have both of them mounted just like that, and that should give you a decent amount of light when you're walking in. And then as you walk in, you got the Waze Cam version 2, indoor and outdoor security camera. So hopefully that adds a little bit to the you know sort of like a security situation. So even when you're walking by, you should be able to be more alert. And hopefully my camera can get a better video quality once those lights do go on. So that's the whole point. Anyways, let's see how they are, and I will have them, and I'll let you guys know how it is. So guys, right now I'm in my front yard, and as you can see, the lights are the motion sensor are installed, and obviously hasn't gone off yet. But let's see, it's plenty of light, and you can see these are very, very, very bright. It's just nice and neat. I mean, there's gives you a lot more visibility, especially when you're coming up the stairs and just coming up the steps. I'm sorry, but yeah, it's so nice. That's what they look like. It's kind of tough to see, but definitely it aids with the Waze Cam, increases the visibility.